Hello, sixth grade. Today is Monday, November 30th. Please grab a spiral notebook so you can write down the main things that we did today. You can push pause while you go get it. You should get in the habit of taking notes while you watch a video. Okay, first thing we did was we got our new vocab list, and I will share those with you. Share the Google Doc with you after we get done talking here. And then the second thing we did was present projects. And since you two weren't here to present, Hunter, I know that you already have your slide done. Make sure that you have clicked in the Google Classroom, click Turn In for that assignment. And then Jordan, if you go in your Google Classroom, you should be able to click on the slide, and then you're picking the non-fiction slide to fill out, not the fiction one. And then after you filled it out, to go to Google Classroom and click Turn In. So far we were studying spelling, we presented projects, so you guys don't have to make anything up for that. And then we also made sure we were ready to write tomorrow in class, so we can finish drafting our essay so we can move on to revising and editing this week. So first things first, Hunter, you are orange. This is your list. I'm going to share it to you right now. Maybe. There we go. Hunter, and you can view it, and off it goes. Hunter, you have words that are kind of the base word, like instruct, and then you're adding ION to change it from a verb to a noun. I can instruct you, that's a verb, and when I add ION, instruction is a thing, becomes a noun. You have instruct, discuss, and digest are all words that you don't change anything before you add ION. The rest of the words, investigate, violate, operate, duplicate, evaluate, punctuate, congratulate, all have a silent E at the end of these verbs. They all end in that ATE ending. When you drop that silent E and add ION, you turn it into a noun. So instead of evaluate, that's something you can do. You can evaluate if something is good or bad. It turns into an actual thing, an evaluation. And so Hunter, that has been shared to you. And then red, Jordan, I will share this to you. And you can view it. Off it goes. Jordan, you have words that have a vowel, consonant, vowel. They're two-syllable words. And so today we practiced in class how to break them. And so back to Hunter, you're going to sort your words, Hunter. You need to actually write them out on a piece of lined paper. I think last week I gave you a word sort paper. You guys can just write them on lined paper tonight so you come to school ready tomorrow. Just write, Hunter, you're just going to write all these out. If you want to put the short words on the left and then their noun form on the right, you could do that to sort them. And then Jordan, you don't really have to sort yours into different groups necessarily. I just want you to make sure that when you write them, you write human. And actually, Jordan, I'm sorry, let's see. I'm going to highlight the words that you need to do. You'll do deserve. How about police? That one's fun. And nation. And, oops, behave. And so all of these, human, these are all going to be your words. Exact, 2, 4, 5, 6, menu, 7, item, 8, panic, 9, and prefer. We'll do and that's 10. So Jordan, your words are all highlighted in yellow. I want you to write those words on a piece of lined paper really neatly for me, and I want you to cut the word at the syllables, and we always cut in between the first vowel and then the consonant. So for example, human, we would cut, we have a vowel U, consonant M, vowel A. We cut it after the first vowel. And so as you're writing this, you will put the little backslashes in to show you know what's going on there. All right, the next thing you needed to do was in your Google Classroom, so make sure that you, let's see, Google Classroom. If you go to classwork up at the top, you guys are both in Mississippi, you click on classwork and you go to leveled reader number 4. You guys are both filling this out. It looks like maybe I already have one. I don't know if this one's Hunters. I don't know. It doesn't show. Anyway, remember that you are not filling out the fiction one. You want the non-fiction one. And you can just highlight if it persuades, informs, or entertains. You can highlight if it's in sequence, if it's about topics about a certain main idea, or if there's a cause and effect or problem solution relationship. And then make sure you write in sentences here and write a sentence here. And then tomorrow, you guys really don't have to take any other notes on the conclusion. You can come in. All you have to do is just come ready tomorrow with your piece of paper that has all of your notes on it. It's been folded in half twice, and if you plan to do a third main body paragraph, that needs to be done on your time. Tomorrow we'll be writing the conclusion. You also need to make sure you can find this thing. We will be working in it during this week. And that is it for now. Hopefully see you guys tomorrow.